Hi everybody, it's Robert Klein here. So what I'm going to do now is discuss the two major mortgage break fees. First is the 3 months interest, and second is the interest differential fee. And also I'm going to talk about the misconceptions about both of those fees. So whenever you break a mortgage, or most traditional closed mortgages, you're going to be paying two types of fees. And you're going to be paying the highest of. So the first one is a 3 month interest fee, and the second one is something called an interest differential fee. So here's a scenario. Let's assume someone had a $300,000 mortgage at 4.5%. He has 3 years left on the term. Okay. And on top of that, today, if you were to get a similar mortgage like this, the real rate is not 4.5% anymore. The comparable is actually at 3%. Is the current rate for this type of product. Okay. So he's going to be paying the highest of the 3 months interest or the interest differential fee. So let's calculate 3 months interest. It's pretty simple. You take $300,000 times by 4.5%. So this number here will give us our annual interest, and if we divide that by 4, there's 4 3-month periods, that will give us our 3-month interest cost. So in this scenario, it would be $3,375. Now the interest differential fee is a little bit more interesting. What that is you currently have a 4.5% mortgage. And that difference of going from 4.5% to 3%, well, what the bank wants is they want that difference between those two numbers. They want that money up front now and for the rest of the term that you were going to pay. So what am I talking about? Well, the difference there is going to be 1.5% that they want. But they want that per year, and because you have 3 years left on the term, you're going to times that by 3. Then you're going to times the amount that you owe is $300,000. And that fee becomes $13,500. Now this is pretty approximate of how this works. There are some specific details I'm not going to get into, but this is generally how it works. But the bottom line is, if you really think about it, it's not really so much of a fee. If you kept the 4.5% mortgage, you are already going to pay this no matter what. So that's something to keep in mind. So that's the difference between a 3 months interest and an interest differential fee. So the general rules with these break fees is if you have a variable mortgage, odds are you're going to be paying the 3 months interest. If you have a fixed rate mortgage, you're most likely going to be paying the interest differential fee. So if you want us to help you figure out what those fees are going to be, just put your information in the right and we'll give you a call and see what we can do for you.